Are you eating well? Are you sleeping well? Are you eating right? Are you taking care of your hair? Are you taking care of your skin? Are you exercising? What are you doing? Maybe few weeks before we did a lot of things because we wanted to take care of ourselves with the additional time that we had on hand. But I think with every passing day and more uncertainty, we are finding it really so difficult to keep up the high energy and do the right things. Most of us are feeling lazy, sloppy, doing just the basics of what it takes, spending long hours, cribbing probably, watching TV, and knowing that you're not really taking care of yourself, you're not being proactive, but still not doing anything. Just looking for entertainment, just looking for escapism. This is what most of us may be doing at this point of time. This is the feeling which I got looking at certain people, looking at what certain people are doing on social media, looking at what certain people shared with me. And I totally understand. It is not easy to be proactive when you're not feeling good about yourself, when there is so much stress, when there's so much uncertainty. It is not easy to do things which are important and not urgent. So we just end up doing things which are urgent, like cooking up some food to eat, keeping the house clean, and then we looking at TV, playing some games, or just curling in bed. We are not taking any action steps to really be the better version of ourselves, because it feels like a lot of effort at this time, because we're not feeling good about anything. We just want to come back to normal. We just want all this uncertainty to end. I totally empathize with you. I totally understand what you're feeling. But one question I want you to ask yourself: how much will this matter 3 years from now? I repeat the question: how much will this matter 3 years from now? For some of us, it may still matter, but for most of us, we would have coped. We would have done something really smart. We may have to face a lot of frustration for a while. Things are going to be difficult for us for a while, because so many things have changed in the world. So many things have changed at our job places and at our business. So we have a new mindset, our own mindset, and the mindset of so many other people to cope with. Yes, I agree. But how much is it going to matter 3 years from now? That depends on what are the steps you're taking now, and what are the steps you continue to take every day for the next 3 years. For all you know, something really good may come out of it. Like, let me share with you, thinking through about what I can do. I have realized that I can do online consultations and courier products at your doorsteps. So now it has made it possible for me to talk to anybody, anywhere in India, and to solve their problems. Initially, when people from Delhi, when people from Chennai, when people from Kerala used to reach out to me because of a reference, I used to tell them that we will talk when you come to Mumbai and when we can schedule a meeting at my clinic. I never thought that it is possible to offer so much value over an online consultation. But it is possible. I have already seen so many possibilities in the last 10 days, and with every passing day, because I am trying to make this structure better, I am believing, I am understanding that yes, it is more possible than I ever imagined. So a lot of things that you haven't even imagined are possible. Only if you allow yourself to live one day at a time and ask the most powerful question: how will it matter 3 years from today if I take the right steps every day? Ask yourself this question.